everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into a super useful topic, how to debug REST API in WordPress. Where you are a developer or a WordPress lover, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix issue with your REST API. Let's get started. First thing is that add where a common REST API issue, like first is 400 error, and so at that time endpoint does not exist or is incorrect. Second is authentication failure, missing or invalid API key or token, or some incorrect data also come in API. So this is also issue. And performance issue, slow API response due to server or code inefficiencies. So for debug REST API, we can also use error log or xdebug etc. for these type. But when a but in the advanced level we can use REST API log add-on for handle these type of debugging. So first go inside your dashboard and go add new plugin. And now search REST API log. Activate, and then go to settings at here, and at here it is enabled etc. and day to retain old entries, and it is 7. And at here also option available, purge all 4 entries now. Means if we want to check all entries inside error log, then we can go at here inside tool. These are 4 entries, so I am just via this option, general option, we can purge all 4 entries. Now if you check at here, then there is no REST API log currently at here, so via that you can manage. And at here and one thing, in the tab it is not working properly, tab are not working properly, it is issue of plugin. So don't worry, we will click on directly link, and at here there are lots of root option, ignore core o immediate, yes or no, we can use that. And root logging mode all. And if we want to add some filter, then we can add, and then click save changes. And at here it is elastic press, log elastic press API. So if yes, then you can add a yes at here, and then save changes. Okay, and in the last option at help, email id etc, they provided, and also they are on GitHub, so you can also check GitHub code at here. So and go to tools section and go to REST API log. At here there is no REST API log entry. So first, uh, suppose we are visiting to our WooCommerce site, then purchasing something. Okay, proceed to checkout. I am using COD. Place order. Now it is done. Now come to log entries. So at here, this log is coming, and click on view. At here you can see lots of thing for debug, like IP address, who are user, and time, status, method, etc, all thing, and request header, from where is it is hitted, and cookie, all thing, and at air body content is all thing which is used inside that. So you can see all thing at here, and in the response header you can access, and you can also debug all thing, like car token is this, allow, get post, etc, all thing. So you can also manage and debug via this type, and also response, what is REST API response. So you can also check, like order ID 105, status processing, order key, order number. So we can also manage, debug all thing via this log add-on. Suppose anyone are using our REST API, and they are hitting again and again with free order, like they are doing something, uh, like it is $16, but they are using some API, some hole in the API, then using free order again and again. So we can also debug this type of issue at here, like via understanding log, via error log, and also via IP address, and we can also block IP address, and who is host, all thing we can debug at here. Means if some order is coming, like some order is coming from 0, then we can also check uh, 0 price, then we can also check inside that via, like order ID is 105. So we can also check at here, it is order ID is 105, then we can also debug all thing where, like at here order ID 105, then we can also check from where this user come and how this user access our API, our data, etc. So we can also debug all thing without going to debug log or error log, all things. So by a GUI we can access and debug all log. And that's all, that's it. You now know how to debug the REST API in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Drop your question or experience with debugging in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.